Hi, in the previous video you have seen how to copy a list to another list. Okay, so now we will see how to join. Okay, list joining. How to join the two lists. There are actually several ways to join, or you can say the concatenate two or more lists in Python. Okay, so one of the easiest way by doing this is to use this plus operator. Okay, it is very easy. Just suppose here I am taking list 1 is equal to, let's say, now I'll write a simplest example, A. Okay, then B, and then C, and okay, spelling is mistake. Okay, now I'm taking list 2 and let's create it by integer 1, 2 or 3. Okay, so now we have two lists, list 1 and list 2. So if I'll use the plus operator like list 1 plus list 2, okay, and I'll save this to list 3. So by this way I can join the two lists, list 1 to list 2, and list 3 will be assigned. So if I'll print the list 3, then A, B, C and 1, 2, 3 are joined. Or in another way you can say that it has been concatenated. Okay, we have seen the example of concatenation in the previous sections, right? And another way, this is one way, okay, and there's one more way, another way to join two lists or three lists. Okay, you can take maximum number of lists, there is no limitation. Okay, so you can also use another way to join two lists by appending all the item from list 2 to list 1, but one by one, not overall. Okay, so just suppose the same example, let me take, I need to copy this and okay, list 1 ABC and list 2 1 2 3. So here I will use for loop, okay, for extending the method, okay, for appending all the item from list 2 to list 1 one by one. So for one by one doing I will use the for method. So for, let's say, X, you can take I, you can take Z, whatever you want. Here I am taking X in list 2, okay, and condition for X in list 2, the condition is list 1 dot append, okay, and the output will join as X. So here I am saying the for loop, then please denote a man. Okay, I am giving a responsibility to X that the all the values, all the items of list 2 will append in list 1. Okay, this is as this simple. And if I'll print this, print what? Print, I'll print list 1, then list 1 will be appended and 1 2 3 will be added in list 1. Okay, if I'll run this, A, B, C and 1 2 3. Okay, this is another way, and one more way is there. You can use the extend option you have seen in the previous couple of videos also. Okay, another way is to extend it. We can use this extend method to add list to at the end of the list. Okay, we have also seen this. So again we are taking the same example. So what we will do, we will take list1, we will extend list1, okay, dot extend extend by what? Extend by list2, means list2 values, list2 item will be extended in list1. It will be added in the end of the list. And if I'll print list1, output will be ABC and 1 2 3, the same output you are getting what you got in the above examples. Okay, so these two are the easiest method. You can use plus operator, you can use this list operator, you can use append, you can use for loop for one by one doing, or you can use the extend operator. It is all depend on your purpose, by which way you want to add one list to another list. Okay, then choose it very carefully and you will get the output, whatever output you want. Okay, so hope you understood this section. So now next we will see some different list method. I'll tell you one by one simple method, because you have seen almost all the methods. You have seen append, you have seen copy, you have seen extend also, insert, pop, remove, reverse, sort. I think all the method you have already seen. So this is the actual list. Now in the next video we will start from tuples. Okay, list part is almost over, there is nothing more. If something will be there, then we will see in the live project in the upcoming videos. Okay, but now in the next section we will start with tuples. Okay, so that's all for this section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.